about some lemonade with a cherry on top?
A black cherry. I'm Greg.
I'm Julie, and we're the Crafty Winers.
We have not done black cherry lemonade, although we have tasted it because Truly makes one, and it's actually one of my
good.
It's on the top of my list. It's not my favorite, but it's not my least favorite either. So
I like the black cherry.
The top of my list.
Pretty good. So, but ours is going to be better.
So you want to follow our recipe on how to make the base lemonade product, and I'll link that above, so that you end up with this, which is about a 7% ABV, probably, lemonade.
So, yeah.
This has been racked, and the ingredients have been added to make it so that it doesn't start fermenting, and it's been given clarifying stuff, which is why there is a film at the bottom that we're going to want to rack off of again, because it's been sitting in the fridge for a couple of months, or a month at least.
Couple months.
So we are going to transfer that into a new container just to start things off, because we don't want to mix up this sediment with our flavor. So you can watch our racking video to see how we do that, and we will be right back. Okay, see how clear this is now?
It is clear. And
we do have a gap at the top, but that's fine because we are going to have to add lemonade concentrate so that this tastes like lemonade again, because right now it's going to be a little bland and
sour water.
Yeah. So this adds sweet and it adds lemonade flavor back in. Don't do this until you've followed our instructions on the base recipe, because you need to add the potassium sorbate to make it so that this can't start fermenting again.
Yep. This is what adds all the lemonade goodness back into it.
And this right now, with this lemonade,
tasty.
It's a great lemonade. If you want just a lemonade without additional flavor, this is great right here.
Yep.
But we, of course, can't stop there. So,
because why not use all of the flavors that we have of these syrups in that box over there? There's a ton of them. We haven't used this one before.
Torani, sugar-free black cherry syrup.
Yep.
3 ounces?
Yeah.
3 ounces is usually our sweet spot for starting, literally. May not be enough, but it's usually not too much.
Yeah, lemonade's a strong flavor, so it has to compete with that lemonade, and usually it takes a little bit to get it there. It depends on the flavor. Like peach, I think we had to use quite a bit more on peach because it just was muted by the lemon.
She laughs at me, but I tell her I can usually tell by the color if it's going to be a strong enough flavor. But
I just heard that today.
I think this is going to not be strong enough. I expect it to look
pink lemonade right now.
I expect it to look more like what the syrup color is. That's my strategy. And this is more of a pink lemonade color right now.
It is.
So, I expect we'll be adding, so I'm not taking a real big sample here.
It does need more, I think. I can taste it back there.
2 or 3. And she wrote down on her batch note, I'm sure, how much we put in there.
Yeah, 3 ounces. 2. Because you can always add more, but you can't take it out.
That is a trademarked phrase. You cannot say it.
It's a Gregism.
My lawyer will be in touch. It's darker now, but I don't think
lemonade.
I don't think my wisdom is going to be true here, because I don't think this is going to get.
I don't think it's going to get much darker.
There was already some black cherry flavor there, so I don't think it needs to be much darker. So that's 5 total. Mm-hmm. This is 5 total.
Yes. It might need a little bit more because of the carbonation part of it. How it sometimes mutes.
An ounce to make it 6?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think it's really close.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to not go over on flavor, like I apparently have a tendency to do.
Well, we do still want it to taste like a lemonade, so that's where the balance has to be. We want it to taste like the flavor, but not just the flavor. It's got to still, taste like lemonade.
So that's 6 total ounces of the syrup.
Yep.
And I believe this is going to be good. Good and sufficient.
I'm going to need some more. Or you're going to need some more. I think yes, it's good. Unless the carbonation changes it too much.
Well,
As it sits right now, it tastes really good.
I think it's I think it's good. Carbonation will take some of the sweet away, and there is a little bit of sweet there that I wouldn't mind losing. So I think it's good. I wouldn't personally put any more in, I don't believe. But you at home obviously can.
Yeah. To
And
taste.
we may say when we taste the carbonated product, we may say, oh, I wish we would have put more in. And we've done it before.
Yeah, we have.
But we are going to put this back in the fridge. And next week, before we record again, we will force carbonate it. So you can watch our video on forced carbonation. You do need special equipment for it, but it's not terribly spendy. And if you are like us, you'll make a lot of use out of it.
Yeah.
A lot of use. And then we will be back to taste it.
Okay, we are back for the best part. We get to taste it.
Yay.
Yay! And
Carbonated.
I definitely love my lemonade, so I have high hopes.
So I'm not sure how well that shows up, but there is sediment at the bottom, but it's not really sediment. This is pulp from the Simply lemonade that this was made out of.
Which is pulpier than some.
We did stop using Simply lemonade, not because of that, but it's mainly because Simply lemonade is more expensive, and we found that it really didn't add anything over the Walmart brand.
No.
But the bad thing from Simply, if you want to look at it as a bad thing, is that there is pulp in it. So I consciously chose to not try to get rid of that pulp and just actually bottle it with the pulp in there, thinking that maybe the pulp would stay suspended, but it didn't.
It didn't stay suspended. But...
And I don't like that because it makes it feel like there is sediment from fermentation when it's really not.
But we know it's not.
We know it, but when we give it to somebody else, it's a little weird that there's pulp at the bottom.
Well, just explain.
You don't need to worry about that because you probably followed our base recipe, which uses Walmart concentrate.
That
and
doesn't
it doesn't have pulp.
that.
So you won't have this stuff at the bottom, so it doesn't affect you, right?
Okay.
Right.
Yep, right.
I was going to lose so much because the pulp was floating high enough in the gallon that I was going to lose quite a bit of liquid if I tried to get rid of it. So I decided I'd take a chance and see if it floated. If it's dispersed evenly in the bottle, there's nothing wrong with it. But when it's at the bottom, like I said,
it
just
looks like something that it's not. It's fine. We don't usually use Simply anymore, so...
Wow, that's good.
It is good. I like it. There's a... Well, I've probably already talked about it in this video, but Truly has a black cherry lemonade that I like. But
how does this compare in your mind to that?
Okay, so I think we use sugar-free syrup on this, so it does change the flavor a little bit. But
there is also...
Yeah, but they don't use syrup. I don't know how they do their black cherry. Who knows?
I mean, I want to know. Theirs is actually seltzer.
Yeah, it's a
with
seltzer.
Lemonade flavor and...
Yeah, so it's not really lemonade. It's lemonade flavored seltzer. So
this is much truer.
This is real lemonade.
No pun. This is much truer to a lemonade taste. This is actually lemonade.
No, it tastes like
not
lemonade.
Lemon water.
I mean, they do a good job at mimicking the lemonade flavor, but since this really is lemonade.
In my opinion, and I'd have to drink them probably back to back to talk about it intelligently, this tastes more like a lemonade to me.
Oh, for sure.
Than theirs does, because it is a lemonade.
I was trying to distinguish the black cherry part of it, but
yeah.
I think I like this better.
So I wouldn't be able to say that it was black cherry, probably, if you gave it to me. It's good, and I don't know that I would be able to do that with their black cherry.
I don't think you would with theirs either.
If it was just in a glass and I couldn't see the name of it. But I am pretty sure, and I have had quite a few of those. No, in my lifetime. Not last week.
Not over the 4th of July?
Not over the 4th of July. I like this better.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about... We've done so many flavors of lemonade, and they've all been really good. So I was like... Well, this is just another flavor of lemonade. Might not be that great, but it is.
This is towards the top of my...
I like it a lot.
Of the ones that I'm thinking about right now.
Blueberry and lavender are still my favorites, but this is definitely up there. I like it a lot.
Okay,
it reminds me a little bit of... Maybe I've just got wild cherry lifesavers in my brain, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of that. because of the tartness probably, and then the cherry
I
aftertaste.
don't get that. That's a lot sweeter. But I get the cherry that you're
Yeah.
talking about. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's good.
Okay, so
So Corgis paws.
lemonades
skin.
are so hard for me because we have so many of them.
Well, first explain our scale.
Oh yeah, so corgi paws. We do 1 through 4 corgi paws.
And why do we do corgi paws, Pippin?
Paws in the air like you just don't care.
Are you chasing after buffalo in your dreams or what? Pippin? We're talking about corgi paws. Show us your paws.
Paws.
Show one of your pauses.
Give me the paws. Paws.
No, she's doing the I just woke up, leave me alone thing.
Paws. Paw. Give me paw. Paw. Good girl.
Yeah. That was a paw.
That was a paw. But she has 4.
When she gives it to you, it means you did a good job on something. So,
Sometimes she gives 2 paws.
and then she'll give you a nose and probably in your face if you're not careful. When she really likes something you did.
So, yeah. 4 paws, super good. 5 paws, just you can't beat it.
Well, 4 paws and a nose.
Oh, yeah. 4 paws
Since
and a nose.
corgis would look really funny with 5 paws.
I had to top it with something, you know.
Basically, I think as far as the math is concerned, 4 paws and a nose is the same as 5 paws. We just have to make that ruling.
Okay.
But
It's the 5th paw coming
5th
out
paw.
of the face.
in
That's
Chernobyl, all things are real.
kind of scary to think about. Another paw coming out of their face. I think I will give this. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give it 4 paws.
Me too. Yep.
Okay.
I think it deserves 4 paws. This is a really good lemonade.
It's really good.
I don't know how I would say to improve it, so I don't think we can
I don't
improve
think-
it. I think that this is as good as a black cherry is going to get. Carbonation level is great.
Mhm.
Yeah, 4 paws for sure.
Okay. Well, we're in agreement yet again
Most of the time.
over the taste of drinks. Let's make that clear. Well, thank you guys for watching another one of our videos. Definitely try it. It's really yummy. All of our lemonades are really yummy, but I really like this flavor. Please like our video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have, we appreciate you guys. Until next time, cheers.